Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having an absolutely wonderful day. We are here today to count up our sinking funds for the month of August. How is it the end of August? No clue. Absolutely no clue. Let's get on with it. Okay, so for this, we're going to use the Bright Undated Budget Planner. This planner is available on Amazon. It will not be spiral bound. The spiral bound version is sold out. I have a number of different budget planners and savings challenge books and other books available on Amazon. They are always linked below in my description box and in my Amazon storefront. If you're ever interested, you can check them out at any time. Let's see. What month are we on? I just said August, right? Okay, here we go. Okay, so we're going to go to the sinking funds page, which is at the end of the month here. And what we're going to do, what I'm going to do, is I'm going to go back to July and I'm going to transfer these totals. So this is from July. Here's our August one. So I'm going to transfer all of the sinking funds. The starting balance here is going to be my ending balance from July. So the balance that I had at the end of July is what I started the month of August with. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. So I'm going to transfer that over. And then what I'm going to do is come back. I'm going to add everything up. We'll count it all in the envelopes together, and then we'll see what we were able to add or take away from the sinking funds in the month of August. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer over, copy everything now, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I finished that. Let's see, this is August 2025. This is an undated planner, so up the top here, it does give you the option to circle the month and write in the year. That's why that's there. So it looks like at the beginning of August, we started our sinking funds with $2,736. And so now we're going to go ahead and go through and give everything a count up. And let's pull out the first binder and get going. Okay, so we're going to start here with Amazon Prime. So in Prime, it looks like we had 155. We now have 100, 50, 70, 80, 180. And I better get the calculator out. 55, 65, what's that? Plus 25, right? Is that right? 180 minus 155. Okay, I could do math sometimes. All right, so plus 25 in there. And that makes sense. I usually add about 25 a month. Okay, beauty. We started with 131. We now have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 31. So still 131. I haven't stuffed this in what feels like forever. It probably has been forever. Let's see. July 14th, I spent, okay, June 26th, I added $10 in there. And then the last time I stuffed it before that was May. So yeah, it's been quite a while, but I rarely do like beauty type things. I don't get haircuts a lot or manis or anything like that. So, okay. Vacation, $579. We have 50, 75, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 79. So here's the deal with this. I told you guys all about vacation in my either my last video or my cash stuffing, how they blocked my card. I had zero money for vacation. My husband covered it all. So, and I also told you guys about the concert ticket. So what I did was I took the 500 out of here and I gave it to my husband. $250 for the concert ticket. The concert ticket came to like $243 or $248. I know, pricey, very pricey. but it's a festival. It's not just one person. And also it was resale, so it's automatically more expensive. But yes, it was extremely expensive. Okay, just I might get flack for that, but it is what it is. So that was for the concert ticket, and then another $250 just to give to him again because I didn't put any money towards vacation. So yeah, that's where that money went. Okay, subscriptions, we had 100. We still have 100. I haven't stuffed that in forever either. Emergency, let's see, we started with 503. We still have 503 in here. So that is that. Oh, you know what? Actually, hold. Okay, we actually have 2 finished challenges to stuff. So this I finished a while ago. I meant to stuff this in my cash stuffing, and of course I totally forgot. This is actually to go towards emergency. $100. Yes. This is a nice bump up. If you hear banging, my daughter's upstairs with my mom. And yeah, you can hear her through the floor. So that's what that is. Okay, so let's add $100 to here, and we now have 603, so that's awesome. What's today? Today is August 28th. Okay, and that also means I get to color in $100 worth of 10s on here, so that is super exciting. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I got these new pens, you guys. They're Papermate. They're called Flare. I actually got these from Walmart. So I got these because you guys know my mini madness, or I'm calling it like mega madness now, my progressive $1,000 savings challenge book. It's my newest, well, my second newest Amazon book. The pages are thin and marker kind of bleeds through, right? Well, these are great. So originally I went to the dollar store for something, and I happened to see these Papermate flares, and on the package it said they won't bleed. So I bought 2 of them. I think I got like a pink and a black. I only got 2 because that's all I could find. They didn't have other colors. So I got those 2, and I came home and I tested them, and they really don't bleed. Now, granted, if you sat there and you colored in the same spot over and over again, sure, of course they would bleed. But if you're just coloring like a normal human, they won't bleed, which is great. So then I was at Walmart recently to grab my son a couple random last minute things for school, and they had a big pack of these Papermate flares, and it was $10. So it's funny because they had like a really big pack. Okay, so you guys don't care about this, I know, but I'm telling you anyway. So here's all the colors: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I guess it was a pack of 15. Does that sound right? And it was $10. So they had another pack of maybe, I don't know, 20, 24. And it was like $20. Like, it was really expensive. 20, even $25. I don't know, probably $20. And I really liked the colors. I was like, but I can't justify spending $20 right now on markers. But then they had like a back to school like special pack or something with almost the same colors, not as many, but that was only 10. And so I was like, oh, I'm gonna grab those. And now, granted, it's a fine tip, so that didn't color great. If I spent more time on it, maybe. But anyways, all that to say, I'm liking those pens. Okay, shut up, Wendy. Okay, so we have 603 now. Wow. So I am using one of those to write here in here today as well, the flares, and it's not bleeding through at all. And this is an Amazon. Okay, I take that back. This actually was not printed by Amazon, so I guess technically it's not an Amazon book, but it's still not bleeding through the paper. This paper is still fairly thin, and it's not bleeding through whatsoever. Okay, enough about the pens. So that is plus 100. Woo! Okay. All right, medical. Let's see what we have in here. So we started with 46. We have 20, 40, 55, 6. So 56 plus 10. I do have a doctor's appointment coming up at the beginning of September, so that's a $30 that's going to cost me. Let's see, it's the end of August. So yeah, that's going to be in a couple of weeks. And I'm sure there are more appointments coming, so, you know, that's going to be gone again. Okay, taxes. We had 441. We now have 5, 6, 7, 750, 770, 775. So we're almost there with taxes. Oops, 775 minus 441. So we added 334, which is good. I do need to get to my goal by September 15th. Taxes, man, they stink. They stink. Okay, so that was a good plus. Next binder. Let's see. Okay, so Penelope, which is my dog, if you're new here, we started with 331. We now have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 75, 76, 276. So this is starting to take a hit, 276. I do have a savings challenge that is almost done for her, which is good. I need to try to keep this bulked up because it's like getting to be the end of the year, and then the beginning of the year comes after the end of the year, right? And then the beginning of the year is when her vet visit is due. But also, I'm pretty sure she only has 1 dose left of her like flea, tick, and heartworm medicine, and that's probably a good $100 and some. So that's gonna like take this down by half probably. 331 minus 276, so that's minus 55. And yep, that makes sense because that's about what her grooming is. She goes to grooming about every 8 weeks ish. And it's an expense, but it's like necessary. She's a Pomeranian. She's extremely furry. If I even try to remotely go near her with a brush or any grooming tool, she will maul me. So yeah, it's necessary. Okay, car maintenance. 150 is what we started with. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. So still 150 in here for car maintenance, which is good. No change there. Holidays, we had 50. I'm willing to bet money that we still do. 20, 40, 5, 50. Yep. And Halloween is rapidly approaching, so the kids are going to want costumes. So that might be spent. Groceries I could see is empty. We started with 0. We still have 0. No change there. Birthdays. Let's see. Birthdays. We started with 141. And let's see. We now have 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 51. So 151. So we added 10 big ones in there, which, hey, an increase is an increase, right? 151. Plus 10. And then last but not least is kids, and I also have a finished challenge to add into here. This was from the monthlies. I saved a little extra to add into the kids fund. I did not get the full 25, which is okay. This is, again, any extra is extra. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, $18. So let's add the 18. Okay, So we'll give it a count up and we'll see what we have. And so we started with 109. So we now have 20, 40, 60, 75, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 107 in here now, which is just -2. So that's good. Okay. All right. So we got all our envelopes added up. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to add up this ending balance column, see what it totals, then I'm going to come back and add up the difference and make sure everything jives. So I will be right back. Okay, so after adding everything up, we have 2658. I actually thought we were going to be a little higher, but looking at that -500, I guess it makes sense that we're not, but it's not too big of a loss. So let's see, 2736 minus 2658, only -$78. That's really not bad at all. So I'm going to go ahead and total up this difference column and see what it adds up to. Yep, perfect. So -78. Okay, so not terrible. I think that might be our smallest decrease ever since I've been doing this, which is wonderful. The point is, no matter if it's an increase or a decrease, the goal is just to keep saving as much as I can, as often as I can, right? Okay, my friends, that is it for this one. Thank you so much for sticking with me and watching till the end of the video. I am so grateful that you're here with me and watching along on my journey. I love you guys so much, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye!